Hey guys, I am about to unbox my package from eBay. I know what it is, and I can't wait to show you guys. Uh-oh. Keeping that. Keeping up bubble wrap. Okay. It is Japanese Hardcore Wrestling Volume 10, the most extreme hardcore wrestling on the planet. Okay guys, I don't know if I could. I think I could. It's from copyright from 2006. Okay, I'm going to tell you one match on here. Man Pongo versus Necro Butcher. Here it is. I don't know, guys. Sorry about that. I don't know about the whole, this thing right here. I don't know the, thing still. Whew. Huh. Okay, then. This is going to be a good DVD. Hope I don't need Volume 1, 2, and 3 to know what's going on. Title should tell me how it goes. Alright, peace out guys. I can't wait to watch this and tell you how it is. Alright, bye. I don't know about the standards still, but yeah, I'm sorry guys. Peace out. Have fun.